Our wheelchairs get put through an awful lot. So here's how I maintain my wheelchair so it can be in tip-top condition for adventure. First of all, let's give it a good clean. I've left chapters in the description so you can easily navigate through my process. At this stage of cleaning, it can be really helpful to take the wheels off. To do this, you're going to lift up your chair a bit, push and hold the button in whilst you pull out the wheel. To put the wheel back on, push the button in and align it to the chair, and then you push it in and only release the button once it's in, making sure that when the wheel goes on, if you have tread that looks like arrows, the arrows face the direction of the forward travel. Whilst we're on the subject of wheels, let's put some air in these tyres. The tyres should have a max PSI on them, so we can avoid pumping it up too much. With the valve unscrewed, it's time to connect the pump, and for this chair I'll be using the black side, but different valves have different connectors. Pump locked in place, now is when I wish I had an electric pump. Tyres all pumped up, it's time to get back to cleaning, making sure to get everything looking good. Some people may want to paint over the chipped paint and scratches, but I quite like to keep them. Cleaning done, it's time to sort out the casters. For this, we need Allen keys and oil. And I always like to keep a little toolkit on me wherever I go. Find 2 Allen keys of the correct size, and holding onto the long end of the Allen keys, unscrew it to be able to remove the wheel. And here's a top tip: if, like me, you sometimes have problems with grip, pop the Allen keys into a tube, it makes it easier to hold. If you have them, take the frog's legs off and give them a little clean. These bearings will probably need changing next time, but let's get them working better. This is where it gets a bit yuck. We need to take out any hair and gunk clogging up our bearings. Tweezers can also be helpful for this. With it cleaned, it's time to put some oil on the bearings and work it in a little bit. Then a little bit more and leave it to soak in. Time to put it all back together. Sometimes the inner washers can move around, so use the Allen keys to line everything back up, and it should go back in. Make sure everything is tight, then for the satisfying spin check, before repeating it all on the other side. And finally, after the cushion goes in place, we're all done. Let me know in the comments if there's any other wheelchair adventure tips and tricks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.